Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm gonna give you the tutorial how to make an ice cream without using a refrigerator. And the first is the ingredient. We need the milk, any kind of milk that you can find in your home. The second is the ice, one of the most important ingredient. And the last, we need a salt. And that's all, three ingredients. And the next we need the tools is a bottle and a plastic and a jar, of course, with the lid. And the step is only to pour your milk into the plastic so the bottle or the glass will help you to not let the milk waste. And after that is one of the most important things to do is when you tied it up the plastic with the milk. You make sure there's no air inside, and you make sure you tied it up strong and good so there is no mistake and there is no milk that going to waste. And after that, of course, we pour our ice into the jar. Not too many. When using many milk, then you need to use many ice. But in this case, I'm gonna using many ice because my milk is not too much. And after that, you close it up again with the ice. And this is one of the most important things to do is to pour the salt into the jar, into the ice, and into the milk. So you pour the salt everywhere around the ice. So this thing is called as a chemical reaction. So when the ice meets the salt, the temperature of the ice will keep decreasing and decreasing and will make the ice not liquid ice. So when you mix it up, the jar, you twist it up and stuff, and the salt and the ice it's combining will give you a chemical reaction that make everything inside the jar, including the temperature and the milk inside, will be frozen. So the good thing here is your milk will be frozen. So this actually thing not taking too much time. So I'm considering 10 to 15 minutes, and after that, voila, you got an ice cream. So this step is very easy and applicable that you can do at home. And actually the ice cream wasn't so bad. The texture of the ice cream itself, it's like a real ice cream that you make using a refrigerator. And the taste, of course, it's normal and no salt, no ice, no smell, anything normal. So this will help you when you have some problem with your refrigerator or anything but you want to make an ice cream. So I hope this tutorial will give you the next step of living. And that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.